Hello everyone, I'm Teddy Kwan from TasteAsianFood.com. A few days ago, I had a dinner in a Chinese restaurant and they served a wonderful dish which is made with tofu, mushroom, minced meat and spinach. It is healthy, nutritious and well balanced. In this video, I want to show you my interpretation of this dish which you can replicate at home easily. Let's take a look how to do it. You can find the recipe in the description right below the video and more information by following the link to the blog post. Let's take a look at some of the key ingredients that we use. This is the tofu that I used. It is moderately firm. If you like to use soft tofu, make sure that it is not too soft that it is going to break easily. Transfer the tofu to a steaming tray. I'm going to steam it, but you can actually serve it directly from the fridge, or you can deep fry it if you prefer. The next important item is the mushroom. I'm using the shimeji mushroom. The last important item is the Sichuan preserved pickle. In Chinese, we call it Zha Cai. If you don't have it, you can omit it, but if you have it, please use it because it is very authentic. Now let's start the preparation. First, cut the meat into very small pieces. Or you can mince it. Most Chinese prefer to use pork, but today I'm using chicken for a healthier version. This is the Sichuan preserved pickles, and I'm going to cut it into small dice. After all the preparation, it's now time to cook. First, steam the tofu for 5 minutes. Then, transfer it to a serving plate. Now let's move on to saute the spinach. Use only the leaves and make sure that it is dry before you saute it. Put some oil in the wok. Add a few cloves of garlic. When it starts to turn aromatic, add the spinach. Saute the spinach until it starts to wilt, which will take about 2 minutes. Season with salt and sugar. You may add some water if it is too dry. Cook for a few more minutes until it is fully wilted, soft and dry. Then arrange the spinach around the tofu. Now we move on to prepare the meat and mushroom sauce. Saute the coarsely chopped garlic. Add the minced meat. And season with salt. Fry until it becomes fragrant and start to turn a little bit brown. Then add the mushroom and some diced carrot. This is mainly for color. And a bit of water. As well as the preserved pickles. Let it cook until the mushroom and the carrot become soft. And meanwhile, we add the seasoning. One and a half tablespoon of oyster sauce. A teaspoon of light soy sauce. Quarter teaspoon of sugar. And a dash of ground white pepper. Mix a teaspoon of cornstarch and a tablespoon of water to form the cornstarch slurry. Make sure that there's enough liquid in the wok to form the sauce. Add the cornstarch slurry bit by bit. And stop adding when it reaches the desired consistency. Alright, turn off the heat. Spoon the minced meat and mushroom sauce on top of the tofu. Garnish with chili and scallion. Served. This is how I prepare tofu served with mushroom and minced meat sauce. If you like this recipe, please try it at home. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscription button. Until then, I'll see you again in the next video. My name is KD Kwan. Bye for now.